Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying Outlook version and saving your current view so you can revert if needed. Open the mailbox folder you'll change because view settings apply per folder. Once done, go to the View tab and click View Settings. This opens the dialog where you control columns, sorting, grouping, and filters. Make sure to note whether you're in compact, single, or preview layout, because the next steps depend on that choice and ensure consistent results across folders. You now focus on the middle adjustments that change how messages display. Add or remove columns in columns, include from, subject, received, and size to expose key info. Next, set sort to received or date and adjust group by if you want conversations clustered. This explains why some messages felt out of order. Then inspect filters. If messages are missing, a stray filter is often the cause, so clear or refine filters to You finish by applying and verifying the changes so the view sticks. Click OK and apply to save the new view to the active folder. If you want consistency, you supply current view to other folders. If things still look wrong, reset the view to defaults via Change View Reset View, which fixes corrupted view files. Finally, if the problem persists after a restart, run an Office repair from Control Panel. This addresses deeper configuration corruption and explains why simple resets sometimes fail.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.